5, 4, 6, 7. 6, 5, 4, 6, 7.
Sexinha, né?
Check it out, check out. Check it out.
Check my 666.
So with that, we can
괜찮아. Cosine, ada cosine. Macam mana dia punya cos? Macam mana?
Independent activity use the cos in the example. Okay, so cos equal to 3e plus 4 plus 2 8 plus 10. Okay, then we do step 5. Then b5 equal to 7. Now x5 always equal to b5 7. No other value. Always equal to 1. Because you don't need to keep more than that. Okay, you have to keep more. There's no reason you to keep more. Then we go to x4. x4 you start with 6.
7.
Then look to the right, highest 7. Okay, then we look at E and H. How to find E? We compare these two values, 7 to 7, no extra. Okay, higher 6 to 7, you higher 1, 7 to 7, you are not higher 1. Okay, so with that here we have cos 3e, 3 times 0 plus 4 plus 2 higher 1 plus, okay, there's no next step, so the f equal to 0. Okay, so same value here is to be 0. When this one equal to 0, also equal to 0, this value always the same. Okay, so calculate this. Calculate this 0, then f x. Only one column, this one must be 6, this one must be 0. Okay, so corresponding x value is 7, corresponding x value is 7. Compare these two values, lowest 0. Stage 4, B4 equals to 6. X4, go back to here, from vertical to horizontal. Okay, then we look at X3. So X3, you start with 4. Then you look to the right. What is the maximum? What is the maximum? You look from here to the right.
7.
7, not 6, common error. So 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then on each of these, we consider the excess higher. how to consider excess? You compare these two values. You need 6, you keep 6. So it's going to be more. You see, in the same column, the value must be the same one. Okay, this one here. So now you are comparing 6 and 7. Okay, so now you are comparing 6 and 7. You need 6, but here you keep 7. So you have 1 extra vector. Now we look at higher. From 4 voter to 6 voter is the higher. 5, 8. Higher. 5 to 6, they are 1. 6 to 6, they are not higher than any 1. 7 to 6, they are not higher than any 1. In fact, here they have 1. Higher. Now here, 4 to 7, you higher 3. 5 to 7, you higher 2. 6 to 7, you higher 1. 7 to 7, you not higher 10. Okay? So now we talking about this equation. 3e, these are all 0. Plus 4 plus 2. 2. Plus F. F. This one is 6. Look at here. 6. From here. Okay. This one here.
So interesting.
Okay. 0 plus 4 plus 2
Giá F giá
When this one equal to 0, so 3 equal to 0. When higher equal to 0, the whole term equal to 0. Okay? Now in the same column, on top of these values are the same. Your F value should also be the same. Because they are all corresponding to X to the 4. X to the 6. Now we look at this. So 3 E equal to 1 plus 4 plus X equal to 7. So X equal to 7. Corresponding value is 0. Okay, so since these ones are the same, so here this value must be the same. Okay, so this one here is the F value, it must be all plus 0. Okay, see here, this one should be the same. This one should be the same. Okay, understand? That's how we can save the time. So here plus 4 plus 2, 2 plus 4 plus 2, 1 plus 0. Okay, so this one is 3, 11. Okay. So now we look at F. Compare 12 and 11. 11 is lower. Corresponding X is 7. Compare 6 and 9. 6 is lower. Corresponding X is 6. Compare 6 and 3. 3 is lower. Corresponding X is 7. Okay? Compare these four values here, lower to 3. So I put Well, finish up everything by next Tuesday. Next Tuesday we have 1 hour. Right? So we have one more example in the tutorial. Okay, so we solve something on Tuesday. Then Friday we have solution. Right? So 100 questions already in your classroom. Have I posted the solution? I think yes.
Oh no.
No.
Haven't checked.
So after stage 4, we move on to stage 3.
Compare.
Right? So first thing, once we move into next stage, is to put down B 3 equal to, tell you what, 4. Okay? Then we look at X3. Right? So X3 from vertical to horizontal. Okay?
我这边就有
So X3 equal to 4.
诶，零啊，是零啊。
3 equal to 5. X3 equal to 6. X3 equal to 7. And the end here you have F. Okay. Then we look at X2. Okay, so when we move on to X2, you note down this value first, 5. Any more from here? So from here, you look to the right, highest value is still 7. Okay, so 5, 6, 7. Okay, then for each of these here, we have access higher, access higher, access, we compare these two. 4, you did 4, you had 4, so no extra. You did 4, but you did 5, so 1 extra. You did 4, you did 6, extra. You did 4, you did 7. Okay. Same column, same value. Let me try to fill in the hiring value. What is that? You use for? You use for? That's why you're so fast. Fair. Yesterday was very much like me. Emily, you feel envy? You envy? But now we look at very tough. When we went to UK for a master whole group of students went there.
比较低
took
哦
a photo.
这个 cost 比较低
All
哦，
by that one. And then after 9 months, after 9 months, one of classmates having birthday. Then we take another photo, all become very fair. Okay, now we look at it. How to get H value? You compare X2 and X3. Okay? So, previously you have 5 workers, now you have 4 workers. Do you need to hire any worker? No one.
No.
Okay? 6 to 4, you cut 2. 7 to 4, you cut 3 workers. So you're not hiring. Okay? So 5 to 5, you're not hiring. From 6 workers to 5 workers, you're actually firing 1. From 7 workers to 5 workers, you're actually firing 1 worker. Okay?
5、6、7往上之后就都是
Here,
少比。
from 5 to 6, you need to hire 1 worker. Okay? From 5 workers, now you have 6 workers, so you hire 1.
9加
6 to 6, you're not hiring anyone. 7 to 6, fire 1, so you're not hiring anyone. Okay? 5 to 7, you hire 2.
加6。
6 to 7, you hire 1. 7 to 7, you hire 1. Okay? So with that, we substitute in the formula. 3 in 0. This is all 0. Now this one is 0. This one is all 0. Okay? Now we look at F value. So x3 equals to 4. So go back to x3 equals to 4. And the corresponding F value is 13. Okay? So when this is 13, the same column will be all the same value. Okay? So here 3 times 1 is 3 plus when this one equal to 0, 14 equal to 0, x equal to 5. So x equal to 5. Corresponding F value is 11. Okay? So since these values are the same, the rest will be the same. Okay, now these two values you mean this. And in the same column, the value must be the same one for F. Right? So when these two are the same, the value should be the same. So here, 2 times 3, 3 E plus 4 plus 2 H plus F. 6
零吗？你的 E 跟 H 都是谁的那个动？如果 E 跟 H 是零，E 跟 H 都零，结果那个 H 是零的话，这个都是零，E 是零，这个都是零的话，不是U。
Okay? So 3
它
times
是
2
不要
6
跟你不要看它
0
好吗？
plus 6.
它其实是如果 H 是零的话，
Okay?
可是如果你放号码进去的时候有4。
Okay? So in the same column, when the value are the same, the value must be the same.
可是如果你算的时候，你是 affect 这个东西。
Then here,
如果你是零，
3
这样子讲。
E
一个
plus 4 plus 2 H
这个罢了了。
plus
是图书写
so
本，
7.
如果有号码的话，如果没有号码就零嘛。
如果是零的话，
Okay? So 7.
the theory behind it and
This one will be betul? 12, 12, 18, 20. Okay?
어?
So here, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? So now we're going across first. 14, 18, 20, lowest 14. Corresponding x is 5. 14, 12, 15, lowest 12, corresponding x 6. 14, 12, 12. Oh, here you got 2. Here you got 2 same value. Okay? So this one here can be 6, can be 7. Okay? Now compare it. Actually here you have 2. Right? It can be 6, it can be 7. When you have 6 worker or 7 worker, the top is the same. Okay? Because the exact cost and the hiring cost, we actually
越多越好。
反正一样多。
全部揽，越多越好。
Stage 2, B2 equal to 5. Okay, then we look at x2. X from vertical to horizontal 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then we look at x1. X1 start from 6. This one drop. Oh, this is lower. Corresponding.
3不是5 4来。对不对？
Okay, 6, 1, 6.
哦。
Right? Look to the right, highest 7.
6 7
5, you need 5, you have 5, so no extra. So you need 5, you need 6, 1 extra.
是啊。
You need 5, but you get 7, you have 2 extra. Okay? Higher, from 6 to 5, you're not hiring anyone, you fire 1. 7 to 5, 6 to 6, not hiring. 7 to 6, not hiring. 6 to 7, you hire 1. 7 to 7, you not hiring. Okay? So 0, 3 times 0, 0. But this one is 0, goes to 0. When x equal to 5, this one is
两个都是反正。
okay, so when these two values are the same, these values are the same. Okay, so 3e plus 0, whole thing equal to 0, x equal to 6, 6, okay, when these two values are the same, the value will be okay. called?
这个大头
Thread.
做越久越烦，就是当你往前一点，越做越烦，越做越不懂。
金派，
像人家侧谈的时候，
那时候我们是13 So is 13 right? 诶，第一不是13，那个是13。
Take one.
So not taking 13 because the x equals to 5 we get 13.
相信自己好吧。
Hey, one more here. And
慌了。
13, 5. Okay. And then here, 13. I bet, okay.
慌了呀。
Okay, so step 1, B1, 6. Then you look at X. Okay, so X1 equal to from vertical to horizontal. Okay, then we look at X0. X0 always equal to 0. Okay,
0
so X higher, X
I will leave
0. 0 to 6, the higher 6.
6.
Okay. You need 6, but you keep 7, you want extra vector here. So from 0 to 7, higher. Okay. So substitute in to the equation 0 plus 4 plus
作呀，
plus 6 13.
结账了呀。Yes, it's possible. 经常。Yes. 有。F X 29，乘以under X 等于6。所以 conclusion stage B1 X1 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 10
If the compare these two, lowest to 9, corresponding X 6. So now conclusion stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what you need is 6, 5, 4, 6, 7.
6 5 4
Okay, and then xi. What you need, we go first. 6, 5. Now this one here can be 6 or 7. Okay, and then here 7. Okay,
7
so that means here you need 6. So stage 1 you have 6 worker. Week 2 you need 5 5 workers. Week 3 you can have 6 or 7 workers. Okay, so the cost is the same. And then week 4 you need 7 workers and week 5. Okay, total cost.
算起来，
Okay, so this one we take out 2 0.
一起班，考试的那个吗？还是什么？
You check the value, could be wrong.
Let me check. Let me check.
Okay, Bobby, can you go home and try? Okay, if I didn't see you next week, I wish you all the best for your exam.
So this one is possible. This one is included in exam.
Yes, one time. Question 4, always come out with question 4. Woo! Next Tuesday we finish out the last question and then we do revision. Okay? Only left 1 week for